Hi, my name is Falake, and in this video, I want to share with you 10 lessons I got from Hilda Bassey and how she was able to break the Guinness World Record for the longest cook-a-thon at 100 hours. First off, that is amazing. That takes determination. And the first lesson, I have them written right here, is she planned for 5 years. 5 years. She had the dream, and then she planned it. She made it happen. She took her time. She wasn't in a rush. Don't be in a rush. The second lesson is she worked with a great PR company. You can tell from the organization, from the media, from the exposure, she had a great PR company, right? She had media partners, right? From micro influencers to major influencers, she got good coverage. She had sponsors, so she didn't do this on her own. She had support from family and friends. Every video I watched, and her mom was praying for her, encouraging her, and just seeing the crowd and seeing people cheer her on. Go Hilda, go Hilda, go Hilda. That was amazing. That's really amazing. If you cannot get ginger from that, then I don't know what your problem is. Then she prepared her body, because obviously she's going to be standing. She needs to coordinate the food. She needs to coordinate, her equipment, her utensils. She prepared her body. She didn't think that, I can just wing this. She got her body ready, mentally and physically. Then she had dry runs and practice. Okay? It wasn't her first time doing it, obviously. She had to have been practicing 5 years to practice. So it's no wonder that she was able to do 100 hours. She practiced. She had a wingman. She had a team. That wingman, I don't recall his name right now, but if you Google it, you'll find out his name. He was with her. I saw clips where he was dabbing her face, where he had his hand on her shoulder, encouraging her. You need a wingman like that on your team, on your side, because wow. She united Nigerians. We had, celebrities, just everyday people, politicians. Everybody was trying to get on that Hilda vibe and just encourage her. And it was a sign for Nigerians that together we can make this happen. It's a win for Nigeria. And somehow it wasn't just about her. It was about the people and just how we came together to support one of our own. And that was just so touching to watch. It made me really proud. And she created an opportunity for brands to get visible. So obviously there was free food. Yes, people obviously went there for free food. But at the same time, you had celebrities come out. Yes, people say, oh yeah, the celebrities came to actually support her. And then we have some celebrities who came to support themselves, in the sense that I know someone that showed up. She showed up and she was looking all glammed up. This was late in the night. She was looking all glammed up. She wore a costume. And I'm like, what's happening here? Are you coming for an interview, or are you coming for Hilda? What's up? But the point is, we have so many celebrities, we had governors, we had politicians, we had pastors, we had musicians, we had DJs, all the influencers and other chefs as well, just coming together to make this happen. So brands could take advantage of the opportunity to get visible and get more engagement. Right now, just what she has done, everybody's just all about Hilda, right? So you have businesses on Facebook, content creators, they're all creating content about what she's done, right? I'm here, it happened yesterday, and I'm here today creating this video and sharing it. Why? Because that is what's hot right now. That's what's trending right now, right? And so you want to hop on trends and leave your 2 cents so that you can tap into that wave of engagement, right? add value, and also promote your own business. It's a win-win for everybody. You know, we created the vibe and the hype and the traffic together, so we can all work together and win together, right? So if you're feeling discouraged, you're not sure what to do, these lessons and partnering with key people and just trusting in yourself and preparing, practice, just following these lessons, you are definitely on your way to success. And I will see you in the next video.